sa posisyon ng LTO eh. Why? Siyempre, pag nag-run kayo ng request ng boss, nakatali na kayo. Di na ninyo pwedeng hulihin.
Yes, Your
So can you answer my question? Why do you not know about the letter of boss regarding their event?
At tila ba walang kaalam-alam ang LTO kung sino ba ang nagbigay ng pahintulot sa kanilang ahensya na payagan ng karumal-dumal na operasyon na ito na kumitil ang buhay ng mga inosenteng residente.
3 po sa mga biktima dito ang namatay. Isa sa San Juan, La Union, isa sa Dagupan City, Pangasinan, at isa sa Florida Blanca, Pampanga.
Lawrence Motorcycle. Bakit po kasi merong ganyan?
Ang nabanggit po na 19 na vehicular accidents na kinasasangkutan ng ilang mga big bikers na nakilahok sa Boss Ironman Motorcycle Challenge ay naganap lamang nitong nakaraang event. Hindi pa po kabilang dito ang mga kaawa-awang biktima at mga namatay sa mga nagdaang taon.
Pinangunahan ni Chairman Romeo Acop ang Congress hearing kasama si Congressman Busita at Representative Ramon Gutierrez.
Usually, nag-action lang po ang LTO kapag viral po ito.
Tinalakay nila sa pandinig kung bakit walang magawa ang LTO kundi payagan na lang ang ganitong karera sa pampublikong kalsada.
Your Honor, there was no permit or on the part of LTO acceded to the particular letter. As far as I know, Your Honor, that's why I'm sorry, I cannot answer your.
You're representing your office. A while ago, I asked for the representative of LTO. Ikaw nga nag-volunteer eh. Wala yung boss mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you're in the hot seat.
O gusto natin sabihin na walang authority ang LTO to regulate yung mga ganong events. So papayagan nyo, pag nag-coordinate, then babantayan nyo na lang. Pag nag-violate, saka nyo huhulihin.
Halos natameme at walang masabi ang representative ng LTO dahil hindi nila alam bakit nila pinayagan ang operasyon na ito dahil wala rin sa pandinig ang leader ng LTO na si LTO Chief Bigor Mendoza.
Umayos ka. Di ba't sinabi ko na kanina? Tingnan mo ngayon ang nangyayari. Hindi mo na masagot yung mga katanungan dito. Ikaw na, sinasabi mo, it's not in my office. You are referring to your office, not the LTO.
Yes, Your Honor.
When in fact, you're officially representing the LTO. Sinasabi na nga nila, may sulat sila eh. If I asked for the letter na nireceive ninyo, kung ipresenta yon, ano ang isasagot po ninyo?
Nang tanungin ni Chairman Acop ang LTO kung nasaan ang binigay nilang permit sa organizer ng Boss Ironman Challenge, ay walang nasabi ang representative ng LTO at tinanggi na lang na pinayagan nila ang di umano'y karera sa daan.
LTO, you do not have that letter in your records?
None, Your Honor.
None?
For me, Your Honor.
Hindi.
I have to check on the records.
You are representing LTO.
Pakinggan mabuti ang sagutan ng bawat panig at kung papaano nagulat ang representative ng LTO.
Mr. Chair, for LTO, familiar kayo siyempre sa Republic Act 4136, tama po ba, Mr. Chair? Of course.
May be recognized, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
So nakita po ninyo yung present nating video. Mayroon po ba dong violation sa reckless driving?
Yes, Your Honor. There's under the traffic part of the 4136.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
And napansin po ba ninyo yung gaano kalalakas yung kanilang auxiliary lights?
Yes, Your Honor. That's why we listed the possible violations, reckless speeding, and illegal modification.
So, in the event na may magre-request ulit sa inyo, maiisip po ba, Mr. Chair, ng LTO na dapat definitely i-deny nyo yung request? Tama po ba, Mr. Chair? In compliance with Republic Act 4136.
Your Honor, under Republic Act 4136, there are no particular provisions on the authority of LTO to regulate the conduct of races.
Yes, yes. Pero, siyempre, pag magaling kang mag-isip, o gusto natin sabihin na walang authority ang LTO to regulate yung mga ganong events, so papayagan nyo, pag nag-coordinate, then babantayan nyo na lang. pag nag-violate, saka nyo huhulihin. Yun po ba ang gusto ninyo sabihin?
Your Honor, we conduct these operations to apprehend violations of traffic rules and regulation on a regular basis, even if it's not part of the conduct of a race or this kind of activity. We still conduct the operation to implement the provisions of Republic Act 4136, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, pwede ko bang tanungin yung boss? Meron po bang somebody na nag-assist sa inyo o kayo lang talaga, boss officers?
Mr. Chairman, I would like to be clarified kung ano po yung nag-assist.
Alam niyo po, hindi madali na magpalabas ng directive or instruction from the higher headquarters to assist your event. Ang tanong ko po, meron po bang somebody or government officials na nag-assist sa inyo para ma-approve to or ma-assist kayo? Boss, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chairman, wala pong nag-assist sa amin whatsoever. Yung amin pong letter, we submitted to the office of Attorney Vigor Mendoza a letter for the conduct of Boss Ironman Motorcycle Challenge in the 19th of January.
And LTO, you do not have that letter in your records?
None, Your Honor.
None?
For me, Your Honor.
Hindi.
I have to check on the records.
You are representing LTO. When you are here, you're not appearing for your person only. You are representing your office. A while ago, I asked for the representative of LTO. Ikaw nga nag-volunteer eh. Wala yung boss mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you're in the hot seat. Ngayon, kasi wala yung mga boss mo, iho eh.
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
can you answer my question? Why do you not know about the letter of boss regarding their event?
Your Honor, the letter was not referred to my office. It was just probably in the office of the Assistant Secretary. Unfortunately,
Then,
I don't have a copy of it.
I'll repeat my order. I want to see your boss or your executive director here. Di ba't sinabi ko na kanina? Tingnan mo ngayon ang nangyayari. Hindi mo na masagot yung mga katanungan dito. Ikaw na, sinasabi mo, it's not in my office. You are referring to your office, not the LTO.
Yes, Your Honor.
When in fact, you're officially representing the LTO. Are you taking this committee for granted?
No, Your Honor.
Umayos ka. Otherwise, I'll move to cite you in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung mayor nga namin, nasa bikutan na. Yung mayor na sinite namin in contempt. Hindi na dito kinukulong. Doon na sa bikutan. So you better be careful.
Sir, yes, Your Honor.
Sinasabi na nga nila, may sulat sila eh. If I asked for the letter na nireceive ninyo, kung ipresenta yon, ano ang isasagot po ninyo?
Sir.
Can proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. In the interest of service, may conflict po sa posisyon ng LTO eh. Why? Siyempre, pag nag-grant kayo ng request ng boss, nakatali na kayo, di na ninyo pwedeng hulihin. At yun, Mr. Chair, ang nangyari. Tama po ba, LTO?
Your Honor, there was no permit or on the part of LTO acceded to the particular letter. As far as I know, Your Honor, that's why I'm sorry, I cannot answer, Your Honor.
So, hindi yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Tan,
Yes, Your Honor.
you said that you sent a letter to LTO. Could you please provide this committee a copy of such letter?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair.
So, yung boss nag-coordinate sa LTO, right? Para doon sa event? Di po ba?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I have to check
Okay.
on my record.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Boss, meron kayong coordination sa LTO, di po ba?
Mr. Chairman, opo, meron po.
Yung coordination po ba nyo, ano ang tema? Siyempre, hindi kayo humingi ng, ano ba, humingi kayo ng permit or assistance or ano po?
Yung una po naming sulat is informing the Land Transportation Office of the event.
So, in-inform lang po ninyo? Tama po.
Yes, sir. Kasi ang nasa amin po kasi, ang position po kasi namin doon sa naging reversal noong o granting nung motion for reconsideration na nagsasabi we can proceed with the conduct of Boss Ironman Challenge. Sa kanila, yun naman po ay position ng LTO. Hindi na po namin inulit yung sa sulat namin na kami ay humihingi ng permiso.
Tama po.
Opo.
Pero sinasabi po, you can proceed with your event. Tama po?
Doon po sa desisyon nila sa reversal
Yes,
ng...
Mr. Chair. Hindi lang literal na permit, pero pinayagan po kayo. In other words, kaya hindi sila nag-operate against your event. Same with PNP. Mr. Chair, sa PNP, nagbaba ng directive ang DO, Directorate for Operations, to assist boss doon sa challenge nila sa event. So, same with LTO. Kaya po talagang may mali Mr. Chair.
For the LTO, Mr. Chair, may we ask, I see we have now the executive directors with us. Mr. Chair, may we ask them po kung yung LTO po, generally, we would like to apprehend on the spot po when they're there. However, it's not foreign for the LTO to conduct operations after the fact po, no? If there's video evidence, minsan, you would issue show cause orders. Is that correct, Mr. Chair? To the Boss Ironman Challenge. How many show cause orders in relation to airing participants were issued by the LTO?
Mr. Chair, as of now, none. But with the video shown earlier, Mr. Chair, we will issue the necessary show cause orders, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, hindi po ba natin nakita yung videos nito before? In fact, you had to deal with a motion for reconsideration regarding a sanction for a previous BIMC. Surely, Mr. Chair, yung Ironman Challenge natin is within the radar of the LTO.
Yes, yes, Mr. Chair. But for the last event, last January 27 and 28 and February 23 and 24, Mr. Chair, we have not issued any show cause order regarding that event, Mr. Chair.